Hello guys, welcome back to Adventist Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge, HackerFest Quaoar. So it's a boot to root challenge. So basically we have only one root flag here. So we need to hunt that root flag. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here, network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, pre-release escalation and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. Now you just type here as sudo su, enter your password, then you just type your net discord minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I identify my target machine, so I just quit now. You just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. Then before nmap, so it's taking too long time, so just copy this one. I would like to walk as first Victor, search with the HTTP, enter your targeted IP address 18.83. So let it find this one. So it's maybe have a WordPress and robots.txt, and this is robots.txt and index followed with HTTP methods get, head, post and options also. So now let me look here. It's straight there. So now let's see here. So here I got it here. One is like with the WP content plugin and all WP WordPress login, WordPress WP login and WordPress. So I have got enough information. So before this nmap result. So I would like to go with the another thing as I would like to go with the directory booster. I would like to go with my targeted IP address 18.83. So sometimes these nmap results will take a long and lengthy time process. Okay, so that's like a frustrated thing. So but you need to wait. So before that we would like to do here robots.txt and uploads, and here I got it as here is that's enough. What start. So I would like to do one thing. So I just type here. So I would like to do one more time. CGI bin. So we can also exploit with the CGI bin also while referring to the exploit DB and hacking index.html. Now, once we get everything, so we would like to visit one by one. So only WordPress. So we would like to visit the targeted link one by one. So hack the planet. That's it. Okay. Now we would like to look this a robots.txt. So in the robots.txt Quora, so it's allow for WordPress. Okay. We don't need to worry. Now we would like to look this upload. So it's like a CMS website. Lepton CMS2 series. So I would would like to target only the WordPress website. It's a better and easy way to perform. So now let me look this WordPress while it's taking too long time. So what is Quora? So I have got it in simple login page of WordPress. That's it. RSS. That's it. Now I would like to go back here. So now I got it here as nmap result. So one is available with SH, another one is a domain, another one is an 80 that is in Apache server, another one is POP3. So it's similar like uh, NetBIOS system, then IMAP, then open NetBIOS group, then open IMAP, then here is an SL or POP3. That's it. So now I already done the Nicto scanner, then I identified, then I already got this WordPress website. Now I would like to go to first a targeted website, 83. In 83, welcome to Quora. So click here to know what you need to do. So hack the plugin, that's it, nothing else. So come back here. So we already know our targeted WordPress website. So just copy this one. So you just type here wp scan minus URL, paste this your targeted URL, then enumerate the users and plugins. Now let's see what is the usernames and plugins we gonna enumerate from here. Just type no, then it's better. Now it's enumerating. Now let's wait. So I would like to use only the admin. So that's better way to only one username. So let me go to here. Then I already know why we would like to waste much time. Where is this WordPress WP login? Here WP login. Okay, so we would like to walk to the WP login. WP login. Otherwise, we would like to enter WP admin. So I got it the username. So I just try with the default username as admin or admin. So we successfully get the login without fail. I hope so. So I successfully log in here. Now when you come back here, this is an CMS website, so that's we don't want. So I just close this. Then robots.txt it's no useful. This is also no useful. Now we would like to directly we would like to go with appearance, theme or editor. So I would like to go to 404.php. Now what you would like to do here is I would like to look first the page source here. So WordPress WP admin, WP content, plugins, no. So you don't need to worry here. So I would like to go for themes. Then theme is like 2014 and 404.php. So I just need to change entirely of this PHP source code. Now let's come back here. So just type here the mousepad or shell.php. So I already got the pentest monkey here in my targeted machine. So you just control copy, then you just put it here. Now you just type clear. So just type your netcat minus lvnp1234. Now let's walk to here and paste it. So you look here your 35. Then you need to cross check one more time. So you just type here ifconfig. This is 35. So I have successfully got it here. So you can upload it directly. update the file. So once you have successfully uploaded, now you would like to walk to the HTTP, enter your targeted IP address, WordPress, WP admin, uh, theme, themes, then 2014 404.php. That's it. Where so here 404.php. So I would like to enter here. Oh, sorry. So in this way, it's not gonna be coming here. So I would like to do in another way. So without I'm going with this like, so I just write here. So I just write here as MSF console. So in this way, it's not going to be worked out. So I would like to go directly with the MSF console. So I got here WP admin. So I would like to use it directly here. Now you just write here as such WP admin shell upload. So you just type here use 0. Now you just type here as show options. Now set password is admin, set username equal to admin, and set target URI is WordPress, and you need to set RPost stress. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.83. That's it. Now you just type to exploit. So authenticated with the WordPress. So now we gonna get here directly as an interpreter shell. So I have successfully got it here. So sometimes you can't able to get it here there. So you need to walk like this. So you just type here as shell. You just type as ID. You got it here. So you just type here which Python. You got it here. So which Python 3? No such file or directory. So why it's no telling no such file or directory? So I would like to type here Python -c import a pdy span bin bash. So I have successfully got it here. So once you have successfully got it here, so you would like to go to a cd home directory list -a cd a wp admin list -a get a flag.txt. So I have read one flag here. So I need to get the root relay access of this machine. So for that I would like to go to a cd where www at html no have. So we would like to go look one by one cd where list -l. So here nothing else have cd www. Now I just type here list -l. So there is no html file here. So this is the mistaken here. Now I would like to go to an WordPress list -l. So here you would like to look at wp config.php. This is the right way, so just copy. So you just type here cat wp-config.php. So you have got the wp-config.php. Now you can see here username as root, password as root password with 1. So we have successfully got it here, root password. So just copy one, copy here. Now you just go to a cd atem directory, su root, then paste this root password. So I have successfully logged into the root. Now I just type here as ls minus a. That's it. We bind it. So you just type here cd root ls minus a. Nothing else. That's it. So here have one more flag. So cat a flag.txt. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So you try your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.